Are you tired of flushing money down the toilet every month? The Hydroright Toilet Conversion Kit is your easy and low-cost solution. The kit converts standard toilets into water-saving dual flush toilets in less than 20 minutes. No experience is required. You can install it yourself without any tools. It's that easy. With the Hydroright, you can save over $100 on your water bill per year. And you and your family will save thousands of gallons of water, enough to fill up a standard swimming pool every year. To use, simply push the top button to flush with minimal water, or the bottom for a more powerful flush. Buy a Hydroright conversion kit today and encourage your family to conserve water together and save money year after year.
This is the Santa Rosa toilet from Kohler. Compact in size, this Santa Rosa toilet is perfect for those who want to fit an elongated toilet into a small space. Its one-piece design offers a distinct high-end look, and without tank seams, it's extremely easy to clean. Best of all, it's loaded with power. Rather than a standard flapper valve, this Santa Rosa toilet features a patented flush engine. There's no flapper, which means no leaks, no problems. It's just full-out power. Plus, this toilet provides 50% more rinse than previous Kohler models, giving you a cleaner bowl after every flush. Now let's talk water savings. This WaterSense certified toilet features a 1.28 gallon flush, which means you'll save about $100 a year on your water bill compared to an older 3.5 gallon toilet. Another great feature of the Santa Rosa toilet is comfort height seating. Kohler comfort height toilets are about the height of a standard chair, making it much easier to sit and stand. At Kohler, we build the finest toilets you can buy. No matter which you choose, Kohler toilets are engineered to save water without sacrificing performance, and they're built to last.
Do not turn to remove the nozzle cap, as the cap can easily be lost and can damage the bidet. To mount the bidet attachment, remove your existing toilet seat and thoroughly clean your toilet. Press the two circular mounting brackets into the bidet attachment until you hear them click into place and can rotate them freely. To connect the bidet to water, turn off the toilet water supply at the shut-off valve at the wall. Flush your toilet and hold down the flush handle until the water is fully drained. Unscrew the flexible water supply line from your fill valve at the toilet. Do not unscrew at the shut-off valve at the wall. You may want a small bucket or towel handy to catch any residual water. Insert the black rubber washer into the provided T-valve and connect the T-valve to the fill valve under the toilet tank. Reconnect the flexible supply line to the bottom of the T-valve. Attach the braided metal bidet hose to the open side of the T-valve. Connect the open end of the bidet hose to the water inlet on the back of the bidet attachment. Slowly turn on the water supply valve and check for leaks. To use the bidet, simply turn the dial to the wash position. The further the dial is turned, the higher the water pressure will be. Congratulations! Your SimpleSpa installation is complete.
Flushing technology is a serious science. Quality assurance is foremost. Toto's series of performance tests are the most rigorous in the plumbing industry. Toto tests and retests, using more than 10 evaluations in fact, to validate flushing technologies. To ensure reliable performance, Toto's stringent testing standards imitate real-life scenarios. Toto conducts many liquid tests, including one with 500 milliliters of dyed liquid, 150 milliliters more than in common bathroom breaks. Toto understands that accurate testing must recreate normal conditions. This means a fully restored water level in the bowl, plus the waste you add. In test after test, Toto's UltraMax 2 with double cyclone technology removes all liquid waste every time, using only 1.28 gallons per flush. That's high efficiency plus performance. Yet a balanced high-efficiency toilet must clean the bowl and rim as well as flush media. A toilet paper test ensures complete bowl cleansing and paper removal. while the Incline test proves that the flush consistently and completely removes rim debris. Toto's high-efficiency toilets perform the best because we have the best testing practices. Toto is proud of our high-efficiency, high-performance 1.28 gallon per flush toilets and water conservation. And as consumers, you should accept